Imagine turning your favorite character into a real action figure. Custom outfits, cool accessories, and a sleek package that looks just like those high-end collectibles. But here's the twist. It's not just an image. You can actually animate it, make it move, and even star in a video. And the best part, I have got everything ready for you. Free templates and a step-by-step tutorial to help you create these amazing AI-powered figures with zero hassle. Just hang out with me till the end of the video and I will walk you through it all. Let's get started. I have made it super easy for you. The template is neatly organized into 2 parts to keep everything simple and smooth. You can find the full text of the template in the community section of my YouTube channel, AI Future Byte. Go check it out and let's get creative. Alright, now let's jump into the fun part, generating our prompt using ChatGPT AI. This is where the magic begins. First, we head over to ChatGPT and paste in our ready-made template. ChatGPT takes the details we provide and turns them into a super detailed prompt that's perfect for creating our action figure image. So, what do we put into the template? It's super simple. In the first part, you just fill in the character details, like the name of your character, what title you want on the packaging, the outfit style, your favorite accessories, any cool graphic elements you'd like to add, and even the suggested age label, just like the real collectible figures. For example, in my first try, I decided to create an action figure of Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India. So, I entered his name, chose the accessories I thought would match the theme, and filled out the rest of the template with my ideas. That's it. Just a few details, and boom, ChatGPT turns it all into a polished, creative prompt ready to go. Now that our prompt is ready, we simply copy it and head over to an AI image generator to bring that figure to life. Let's see how it turns out. In this tutorial, we are going to take things up a notch by using 2 different AI tools with our prompt to create stunning action figures. And guess what? The first tool we are using is none other than ChatGPT itself. Yep, that's right. ChatGPT can now generate images too. So here's how it works. I take the same prompt we created earlier and simply paste it into ChatGPT. And then action. Just like that, the prompt goes into the queue and within moments, the image pops up. Let me show you what I got. In this example, I went with the Narendra Modi. And wow, just look at how beautifully it turned out. The action figure packaging looks so clean and professional, just the way I imagined it. My custom slogan is right there on the box, along with the exact accessories I picked. It's all perfectly bundled together to look just like a premium collectible. And here's a handy little tip. Once your image is ready, take a look at the top right corner. You will see a download button. Just click it to save your awesome creation directly to your device, totally free. How cool is that? Now, let's move on to the second method. This time using a professional grade image generating AI called Leonardo. This tool is seriously impressive and it gives you that polished, high quality finish that looks straight out of a premium design studio. So, come along with me as we create something awesome. For this example, I decided to design a Lionel Messi action figure. First, like we have done before, I customized the template with my own ideas. Lionel Messi's name, the accessories I want him to come with, and all those little details that make the packaging unique. I paste the filled out template into ChatGPT, and within seconds, a brand new prompt is created. Now we are ready for the next step. I copy that prompt and head over to the Leonardo AI website. The great thing about Leonardo is that it not only feels professional, but it also gives you a generous amount of free tokens when you sign up. More than enough to create your own action figures without spending a dime. To get started, I click the Launch App button in the top right corner. Once inside the app, I go to the left-hand menu and click on Image. This opens up Leonardo's image generation panel. Right at the top, there's a prompt box. I paste in the Lionel Messi prompt we just created with ChatGPT. Now for the settings, this is where Leonardo really shines. From the preset drop-down, I choose Flux Dev, one of Leonardo's latest and most advanced art generation models. I make sure the prompt enhance option is turned off, so Leonardo sticks closely to my original input without modifying it. Under the style setting, I select Dynamic, which works great for bold, energetic designs like an action figure package. Next, I set the image dimensions to a 4:5 aspect ratio, perfect for vertical packaging. I also choose medium for the image size, which strikes a nice balance between detail and token usage. Then, in the number of images section, I decide how many versions I want to generate. This part depends on how many tokens you have got, so keep an eye on that. For me, I set it to generate 4 images. Once everything's ready, I click the Generate button, and after a short wait, the magic happens. My Lionel Messi action figure images appear as thumbnails, looking sharp, colorful, and exactly how I imagined them. Just like that, using a high-end AI tool, we have created an incredible, custom action figure that looks straight out of a collector's shelf. I click on one of the images to view it in a larger size, and wow, it looks amazing in full detail. But hey, if you are not completely happy with how the image turned out, no worries at all. You can simply repeat the process, tweak your prompt a little, or even change the settings and try again. Just a few small adjustments can make a big difference until you get that perfect result you are after. And here's a nice bonus. Right below each image, there's a free download button. Yup, totally free. And best of all, no watermark. Just click and it's yours to keep. So up to this point, we have learned how to create our very own custom action figure, from concept to packaging, using powerful AI tools. But now, we are stepping into the next exciting phase. We are not just going to stop at an image. Nope. It's time to animate it and actually bring that action figure package to life. This is where things get really fun. Let's dive in. For this part of the process, we are heading over to the website of a video generating AI tool called Hilo AI. One of the main reasons I chose this tool is because it gives you a few free tokens when you create an account, which is perfect for testing things out without spending a penny. To get started, I head to the top right corner of the site and click on the Sign In option. A small window pops up, giving you the choice to either register or log in. You can use your Apple or Google account to make things quick and easy. Once logged in, I go to the left-hand menu and click on the Create a Video button. This brings us into the video generation section. On the right side of the screen, you will see a neat gallery of videos you have already created with Hilo AI, super helpful if you want to go back and rework something later. Over on the left is where all the creative tools are, and that's where the magic happens. Since our goal here is to animate the action figure image we created earlier, we need to make sure the image to video option is selected. Inside that box, there's an upload option that supports both JPG and PNG formats. I click the upload button, then browse my hard drive for the image I want to animate, in this case, the Lionel Messi action figure, and upload it. Depending on the file size, it might take a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, you will see a thumbnail of your image appear on the screen. That means it's ready for the next step. Now comes the important part, telling the AI what exactly we want it to do. In the prompt box, I type in all the animation details I'm hoping for. This could be something like, make the action figure move slightly inside the packaging, or animate the glow around the accessories, or even add a dramatic lighting effect and a slight camera zoom. Be as clear and specific as possible so the AI knows what to bring to life. This process may evolve in the future, but as of now, this is how it works. And it's a super exciting step in transforming a still image into a dynamic, eye-catching video. Let's keep going. Once I have described exactly how I want the image to move and come alive in the prompt box, I go ahead and click the Generate button. My request is now in the processing queue, and all I have to do is wait a short moment. Then, like magic, my image is animated and transformed into a video. A new thumbnail pops up on the screen showing that the video is ready. I click on the thumbnail to watch it in full size and review how the animation turned out. I was completely satisfied with the first result. That's something I have said a few times now, and it's worth repeating. Don't be afraid to experiment. These tools are incredibly powerful, but they are also creative partners. The more you fine-tune your prompts, the closer you will get to something amazing. And eventually, you will land on that perfect animation that brings your action figure to life just the way you imagined it. So in this full step-by-step tutorial, we started by designing our dream action figure using AI, and then we didn't just stop at the packaging, we animated it and made it feel alive. How cool is that? If this tutorial helped spark some creativity or showed you something new, now's the perfect time to smash that like button. Not just a gentle tap, give it some love. And if you know someone who would totally geek out over this too, share this video with them. You will be doing them a huge favor. If you are fascinated by the amazing world of AI and all the creative things you can do with it, you are in the right place. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell, because the next tutorial, oh yeah, we are taking things to a whole new level. AI is the future, and we are just getting started.